Iloilo. At ano nga lang ng resort. Okay. Carles Galini. We travel from Iloilo City to Carles, Iloilo. It's approximately 3 hours from the city of Iloilo. So, let's see. Akala ko ng resort. Okay, you see my cottage. 4 person kami. Okay, kasi air condition. So good. And check the other resort. Wow. With the vast of plantation, greeneries. It's a very good day off. Okay, to spend your day off here in Carles, Iloilo. Traveling is too far from Iloilo, but it's worth traveling. So, just see the view and hope that you will come also here in this resort. Okay? My koi pan. Wow. Nagpuksang ila ko. Okay. Nani may aram ko nakadako sa koi sa balay ko. It's good to see them. Swimming and swimming. Okay. There's an Anga restaurant. Okay. See the Anga restaurant. And beside Anga restaurant, there's a pool. Access for the PWD citizen. Good to have like this in the restaurant. And we decided the swimming pool, and just a few meters away there's a beach that you can also go for other sports. Okay, they have volleyball. Center also in this place, so you can stroll around. Okay, marami siyang balas. Okay, stroll balas in volleyball net. So for a good duration of you guys. Go to the recreation center, which is a few meters away. There's some more guests today for this event. It's nice to have a good atmosphere and media from the province. So there's a massage area. If you want to do a massage, they will also have that kind of service. Smooth. There's a tower. There's a tower. You can go up also, but I don't want to. Nakapool. Okay, there's a recreation center. Naman may si ari di mga inablos ko nagtaw tabi may gym ng panggali sila table tennis. Oo. Nagtaw tabi siyang ating baby ko namin iman sumakasot dito tabi. Uy! Super! Grabe na.
po. Yeah!
Sos, naglikaw ang buho, Bimo.
Ay, wala.
Naglikaw ang buho, Bimo.
Yes! Just begin.
This is the fine dining restaurant. Okay, Manga, that's what I said before. They're having some music. You guys are singing, and it's good to eat your dinner with the family, with the background in the music. So, malapit din. Ahon. Bonfire now. May bonfire, nakatag na sila sa marshmallow. Okay, picture of the family of the Filipinos. Taking some pictures. Guys, very good thumbs up for a good weekend holiday. Okay, please subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you.